Hello everyone. Today, let's learn together how to make this soft fruit hairpin. The pattern chart is shown at the end of the video. Let's prepare the materials. We're using Zoophyre Meng Dole yarn, a 2.15mm crochet hook. Cut a length of yarn. Start with chain stitches. Chain 10. After finishing, insert the wire. Go back to the second chain from the hook. Work one single crochet. Each half double crochet goes into one stitch. Crochet while enclosing the wire. 4 double crochets. 1 stitch per stitch. Finish with 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. Now we're at the last stitch. In the last stitch, crochet 3 single crochets. Neatly adjust the wire. Now crochet back along the other side. 1 single crochet. Crochet while enclosing the wire and yarn tail. Single crochet. Half double crochet. 4 double crochets. One half double crochet. Single crochet. This completes the first round. Slip stitch into the opposite stitch to join. The slip stitch does not count as a stitch. Continue with 1 single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochets. One half double crochet. Single crochet. In the next stitch, we will increase. First, work 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Chain 1. Pick up 2 strands and slip stitch. This makes a picot stitch. Continue with 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, then crochet back, 5 double crochets. One half double crochet. Single crochet. Now the crocheting is complete. Adjust the wire. Slip stitch to the opposite side. Wrap the yarn while slip stitching, so the wire won't be exposed. Pull the loop larger and cut the yarn. Each fruit is made of 3 petals like this. Here are the 3 petals. Let's assemble them. Be sure to tell the front from the back. Front side facing out, back side facing in. Arrange the 3 petals evenly. At the bottom, wrap with green yarn to form leaves. Lightly secure the yarn tail. Adjust the shape. Apply a small amount of glue here to secure. Do the same on the other two sides. One fruit is now assembled. I made a total of 5 fruits. Next, crochet the leaves, both large and small. I'll demonstrate just one. You can follow the pattern for the others. Chain 13. Pull the loop larger. Insert the wire. Start with single crochet in the second chain. Half double crochet. 7 double crochets. 1 stitch per stitch. Next stitch, half double crochet. Single crochet. In the last stitch, first crochet, 2 single crochets. Chain 1 and make a picot stitch. Continue with 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Adjust the wire. This completes half of the leaf. Crochet back. Single crochet. Half double crochet. 7 double crochets. In the last 2 stitches, work 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Slip stitch to the opposite side. Wrap the yarn so the wire won't show. Pull the loop larger. Secure the yarn tail. 1 leaf is finished. I crocheted a total of 5 leaves. Leave 1 wire longer. Now let's start assembling. Attach the leaves in suitable positions. Wrap them with yarn. After attaching the leaves, secure the wire. Begin assembling the branches. Wrap around the center of the wire. Nice job! Continue wrapping the 2 wires together. The wire length doesn't matter. Arrange them according to your preference. Prepare another long wire. This will be the main stem. Wrap it. After wrapping a bit, add small branches. Continue wrapping after adding. Add branches according to the shape you like. That's perfect. Once everything is wrapped, adjust the shape. To assemble the fruits, prepare a long wire. Secure the first fruit, then continue wrapping. At a suitable position, add another fruit wherever you like. Continue wrapping. After wrapping, add the leaves. Add the branches. Cut off the excess wire. Once secured, cut the yarn. Take out the hairpin. If it's difficult to attach, apply a small amount of glue first, then attach it to the hairpin. Leave a section of yarn at the top. Leave an opening at the bottom like this. After wrapping, we can directly thread the yarn through this opening and pull tight, so there's no need to glue the yarn. This method is much simpler. Now our hairpin is finished. If you have any questions, feel free to discuss in the comments.